In this video, we're going to show you how to replace a taillight on your Volkswagen Passat. This is going to be located inside of the trunk. Let's get started. Reaching inside of the trunk, you're going to find a panel. Pull that felt panel out. Behind there, we have the fastener holding our taillight in. Spin this wing nut. Loosen the rod, pull the headlight straight out, pull back on the red locking tab, push down on the button, pull straight back, and remove the connector from the taillight. Install the connector, close the locking tab, install the taillight, push it straight into place, install the rod into the headlight, and be sure it's nice and tight. Install the felt cover, repeat the same process on the other side, and you're good to go.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.